Hey, what's up guys? It's Adam with Comfy Thrift and Flip. So today was supposed to be listing day, all listing day, but I decided to make a little family outing today. I had a great time with the family. Check out the things that we did today. We did a little bit of thrifting, we had a little family outing, and then I finally got to the listing.
I got some, Daddy!
Come on, keep reeling it. Keep reeling it. Reel it. No. Not yet.
It did tug on it.
Yeah. So we didn't catch a whole lot of fish today, but you'll see shortly here in just a little bit that I did catch a fish. It was really just a beautiful day to be out, and we just enjoyed the weather and family time in North Carolina. I really considered picking these up, but they had them listed for $9.99 a piece, and they weren't in good condition, so ended up putting them back, but they were some neat finds. Winnie the Pooh lunchbox wasn't selling for much, so I left it. I picked up both of these pairs of shoes. They needed a little bit of cleaning, but for $5.99, I think I could probably get between $20 to $25 for each pair. The Converse had a cool airplane logo on the side with the whole world globe on it. I thought they were really neat looking. Then also the Nike Fly Knits. So it wasn't a great day at Goodwill today, but I did pick up those two pair of shoes, a pair of Converse that looked really neat, and the pair of Nikes, and my wife got a couple of things as well. So this is me listing a pair of shoes. It's not the best circumstances that I have, but I make it work with what I can. I do have the backdrop, if you could see. It's good to have good lighting. Lighting is important when you're listing. Certainly not the most fun part of reselling. Thrifting is obviously the funnest part, but you always have to list in order to be able to sell, of course. It was supposed to be listing day, but I found other things to do instead of list my items, which is the worst thing you can do as a reseller, but I had fun with the family today. Thank you for checking out my channel, and always stay comfy.